Vathiyar Tamil movie summary. The film opens with former Chief Minister Nachiyar being sentenced to prison for his involvement in the Housing Board construction scam. Refusing to pay the penalty, Nachiyar vows to exact vengeance on the incumbent Chief Minister for putting him behind bars. Meanwhile, notorious gangster Veera terrorized the public, prompting them to seek help from Annadurai Dorai. Dorai confronts Veera and his men, ultimately killing Veera. ACP Ishwara Pandyan investigates the scene and identifies Dorai as the perpetrator. However, he is frustrated by the lack of evidence to arrest Dorai. Ishwara Pandyan warns Dorai that he will apprehend him once he gathers sufficient proof, criticizing Dorai's use of violence to achieve justice. Dorai runs an orphanage called Annai Ilam. His violent methods have estranged him from his mother and younger sister, Sushila. His mother works in a garment factory to make ends meet. During a medical camp at the orphanage, Dorai discovers that contaminated water is harming the children. He confronts Rajaram, the owner of the Zio leather factory, for polluting the water source. Seizing the opportunity, Dorai rallies the factory employees to strike against Rajaram, using their protest to demand the installation of a water processing unit in the factory, enraging Rajaram. Anjali, a TV reporter hosting a prank show, becomes smitten with Dorai after witnessing his commitment to public service. She devises a plan to get close to him by pretending to be an orphan and convinces the orphanage attender, Ayanar, to let her stay at Annai Ilam. Her wealthy father also moves in, hiding their true identities. Together, they persuade the orphanage inmates to encourage Dorai to marry Anjali. Meanwhile, Dorai's sister Sushila is engaged to Prakash, and their wedding expenses become a concern. Dorai's mother refuses his financial help, fearing his money may be tainted by his violent past. Unbeknownst to Sushila, Dorai secretly facilitates Prakash's promotion to manager at Zio leather factory, with the help of Rajaram, who has since reformed. 3 months pass, and Nachiyar is released from prison. Dorai's vigilant activities continue, as he kills a rapist and sends the body to the police station, infuriating ACP Ishwara Pandyan. However, Ishwara Pandyan lacks evidence to apprehend Dorai. Anjali misinterprets Dorai's kindness towards a woman, assuming he is having an affair. Subramaniam clarifies that the woman is Veera's wife, afflicted with AIDS, and Dorai has been discreetly supporting her. Subramaniam then reveals a flashback about Dorai's past, shedding light on his motivations and actions. In Kumbakonam, Dorai worked as a teacher. During a paper correction trip to Trichy, he rescued Subramaniam from a group of goons. Additionally, he saved a teenage girl from a misbehaving college teacher and confronted him. This incident led to Dorai's dismissal from school due to his violent confrontation. Dorai's mother was upset about his job loss and warned him against using violence in the name of righteousness. Meanwhile, Manikkawel, another teacher, sought Dorai's help regarding substandard facilities at his school. Despite previously reporting the issue to the education department, Manikkawel turned to Dorai due to their inaction. However, Dorai declined, citing his mother's advice to remain calm and focus on teaching. Tragedy struck when the school mentioned by Manikkawel suffered a devastating fire, claiming the lives of 48 children due to inadequate escape facilities. Overcoming his mother's objections, Dorai confronted the district education officer, inspection officer, revenue officer, tehsildar, health officer, health department joint director, fire officer, district education officer, and chief education officer, to confess to accepting bribes and their inaction leading to the tragedy. However, his actions led to his arrest and subsequent conviction for killing the district education officer. Dorai was sentenced to a minimum of 3 years in prison. In the present, Anjali learns about Dorai's past and recognizes his kind-hearted nature, and also Dorai accepts Anjali's love. His mother, who had previously disapproved of his violent methods, now understands his intentions and accepts him. Meanwhile, Ishwar Pandian plots to trap Dorai, informing Nachiyar about his activities. Nachiyar, seeking revenge, orchestrates a bombing plot in Chennai. Dorai thwarts the plan by killing the terrorists involved and notifies Nachiyar. Nachiyar retaliates by poisoning the orphanage food, killing Lakshmi and hospitalizing others. Dorai seeks vengeance, attacking Nachiyar's farmhouse. However, Nachiyar shoots Dorai and buries him in a coffin. Miraculously, Dorai escapes and recuperates in a nearby clinic. Upon learning of Dorai's escape, Nachiyar orders the police commissioner to execute an encounter killing. Ishwar Pandian kidnaps 5 Human Rights Commission members and vindicates Dorai's righteousness, stating that Dorai has done what the police couldn't: protect the public. Ishwar Pandian discloses his deliberate attempts to cross paths with Dorai, utilizing him to eliminate criminals, and implores the members to save Dorai from Nachiyar's planned encounter killing. On Vinayak Chaturthi, Dorai secretly meets Ishwar Pandian at a hospital, where he reveals that Ishwar Pandian had indeed aided Dorai in eliminating criminals. Ishwar Pandian discloses that Nachiyar stabbed him for helping Dorai. With his last breath, Ishwar Pandian expresses his support for Dorai and shares the truth. Determined to stop Nachiyar, Dorai confronts him, only to learn that a bomb has been implanted in the Ganesha statue, which is now part of a procession, threatening thousands of lives. Dorai bravely beats Nachiyar and his men, then rushes to the beach, where the procession will culminate. With seconds to spare, Dorai successfully defuses the bomb hidden within the statue. However, in the chaos, Nachiyar mortally wounds Dorai. Enraged and motivated by his mother's words, Dorai kills Nachiyar.